How cats show love. Cats might act distant, but their bodies are very honest. Wink or slowly blink at you. A cat would stare at you instead if it doesn't trust or like you. Cats blink slowly to show they trust and love, so you can slowly blink at a cat to let it know that you like and trust it, showing their belly. When a cat exposes its vulnerable belly to you, it indicates that it feels safe and relaxed in your company. But remember, not all cats like belly rubs. Let you touch its nose. For cats, touching noses is special, but also risky. When a cat's nose touches another, it can easily be attacked, so only if you are someone they trust can you touch their noses. Trilling. Mother cats trill to get their kittens to follow or look at them. It's a cat's way of saying, "Hello, I'm here." So if your cat is trilling at you, it probably wants to say hi or get your attention.